Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me, but if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. I am Natasha, and today, well, you already know from the title of the video, so let's get on with it. Let's see what's in the November curl box. I did open the box already. I'm here waiting for my daughter in math gym, so I decided to bring the box with me to do the unboxing. So let's see what's in the box this month. This is the card. Okay, I don't want to look inside. I just want to open it up and let's see together. What is it? What is it? Tell me. Do you see? I can't see. I can't tell what it is. Do you know? I don't know. So thankfully, it does not look like what I thought it may have been, because I was going to be really, really hot. Okay, so this is something that I've never seen before. I think I know this brand, Argan oil brand, one and only Argan oil. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. This is one and only Argan oil, acacia combat signs of aging hair. So this is for aging hair. So I have the moisture repair conditioner. This one, the top came off. The little, okay. The defining curl cream. The strengthening restorative mask. And the shampoo, the moisture repair shampoo. Argan oil treatment. Let's see what the ingredients look like. Oh, this has protein up in there, hydrolyzed keratin. This has silicones. It has the amodimethicone in here. Shea butter, canola, like I'm still disappointed. Like, what? Hydrolyzed keratin. I don't think my low porosity hair is gonna like that. So it says it's formulated with argan oil and acacia collagen to combat signs of aging hair. In its paraben-free formula detangles, reconstructs, strengthens the hair while hydrating and replenishing moisture levels. This was the conditioner. Let me see what it says about the whole line. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be using these products, so let me know if you want them. I'll do a giveaway. The card this month. That's it. High quality ingredients meet maximum results in this Lux box this month. We're giving you one and only Argan collection, a line that saturates strands with argan oil, a coveted Moroccan nut oil. Replenish your hair's health with this exotic treat. Luxury hair care. That's what it said. I guess that's what luxury ingredients look like. Well, what do I know? I know it's protein all up in all of this. That's where the strengthening comes from, because it has the hydrolyzed keratin in it. If you know anything about these products, if you know, like, is it something I'm missing, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'm gonna be giving them away. I doubt I'll be using these products, so let me know in the comments down below if you will be interested in these products. Unless I'm missing something now. If I'm missing something and these products are bomb.com, then let me know. Thanks for watching this video.